If you're an artist or musician, this is what the IRS doesn't want you to know about filing your taxes. Watch till the end and you can get hundreds to thousands of dollars back on the equipment you bought this year. Just listen to what I'm about to tell you. It will be worth it. Trust me. However much you spent on your taxes this year on buying equipment for your music or your art, you can have that back into your bank account. Let me teach you how. This is the same system that businesses use. And no, you don't have to be a registered business. As long as you are making music with the intent of getting a profit, is the definition that the IRS uses. So how do you do this? Get all of the purchases you made last year and put it in a Google Sheets or an Excel sheet and keep track of how much you spent and for which item. If you can link the receipts, even better. And it's not just for equipment too. If you spent money on traveling to your gigs or anything that's music education related, put it in. If you're buying a new laptop for your music, anything that's going to develop your music career or related to it, you can even write off your room in your house that you have as a studio. That's what I did this year. Find an accountant near you and talk to them and ask them as many questions as you can, because you're gonna learn a lot, and it might cost you $100 or $200 for the accountant. But if you spent over thousands of dollars on music equipment, it's totally worth it. You don't even need an accountant for this. I just personally go see an accountant. So if you know how to file your taxes and you know your way about that, you can also include your music expenses in there. And if you already filed your taxes, that's no problem. Do this next year. Every single time you buy something this year, whether it's towards your music or your art, put it in a Google Sheets or an Excel sheet. Keep track of how much you spent, the day you bought it, where you bought it, and tag the receipt if you can. And when you have that sheet, next year when you're filing your taxes, I promise you, you're going to thank yourself. If you get $1,000 back on your tax returns, that's a Newman TLM. So take your music career seriously. You can do it too. It's not that hard. Learn these kinds of stuff because it's going to pay dividends throughout your life. I promise you, it's worth it. Go do it. Follow me for more tips like this.